In front of me is OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy section. Then scroll all the way down to hit App Lock available under Special Features. Hit gray switcher next to App Lock to activate it, and if you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use App Lock. This password will be the one that will protect your apps from anyone unwanted. So hit Settings in the pop-up. Tap on Use a different password type and pick one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Then create it. Repeat it to confirm it. And when you're done, tap on Recovery Email and enter it. It's very important in case you will ever forget your privacy password. Now select question. Answer this question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick any of those. If you don't like any of them though, you can click on the question again, and this time select Custom Question at the bottom. Create your own. Tap on Confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. When you finished, hit Done. Now click on gray switcher next to apps you wanna lock. And when all of your switchers are blue, you can exit Devices Settings to check it out. So when I access AliExpress, I can see that privacy password is now required. But many people ask me what to do if I want to disable app lock from my app. Just go into app lock again. Enter your privacy password and use blue switches next to your apps. To make it even faster, hit Locked and then see all of your locked apps. Last but not least, to disable app lock completely, use the same no blue switcher. Additionally, if you want, I can show you how to enter some hidden settings. Over here, by clicking on those 3 dots at the top right corner, you can tap on Set Now and enter all of those options, like when you click on Privacy Password, you can enter it and manage all of those. For example, change your question or set up new recovery email. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!